Believe your eyes. This thing is real. It's called the leaf slug, the only animal on Earth that can survive by eating sunlight. It's often only 5 millimeters long and has a sheep-like face, which is why it's also called the leaf sheep. Each individual has both male and female reproductive organs, meaning any two slugs can mate. When it eats algae, it steals the algae's genes and the microscopic green energy factories. Once the genes are absorbed, it starts working like a plant, using sunlight to create its own food.